Don't you ever make a black card fool you and mention Virgil van Dijk or Nemanja Vidic ever again. Yeah? Yeah? Alright. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, it's just because of current events while I have to address this issue right now. But we have a chat group, and they talk a lot of crap. Talk about football, talk about that, and talk a lot of crap. So I have to set something straight right now, right quick. So before we go any further, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right on there for brand new. Referee, bloody with the fam. Let's go. Listen. In my chat group, we talk about football. We have Arsenal fans, Liverpool fans, Man City fans, Man United fans. They works. And they obviously come and name True Juice. I'm always talking about him team this and team that. First, we set the record straight. We passed 35 years. Liverpool won the championship twice. First time, I win it when nobody now watch football. When nobody in the stadium. They have to celebrate the championship 5 meters away from them players. Nobody know watching the championship when everybody was under COVID. Yeah? You don't know what the effects would be if people did not see them. That's number one. Number two, PGMOL win the championship last year. Give or take a couple points. Liverpool won the championship by about 15 points because PGML give them last year. Yeah? So let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about the PGMOL and the COVID championship when they win, yeah? Not 2019. But there's this fallacy going on that Virgil van Dijk is the best Premier League defender they've ever seen. And I'm talking about Virgil van Dijk is better than Nemanja Vidic. So I have to set the record straight. We need to set the record straight so that you guys who grew up under my era or a little before that can understand what really going on. Yeah? Couple years ago, about 4 years ago, you got Tottenham going down the flank. Left flank, Virgil van Dijk defending Perisic. What happened to him? Yeah, you man remember that. You man remember how Perisic twist him up, turn him up. You man remember that. You man remember a couple years ago when Virgil van Dijk in the Champions League final, cocking up like a ballerina. When Vinny Jr. in the back post, goal, score, win the the Champions League. You remember that? And he's been having this pose ever since. Even before that, trying to defend with him arse in the air like a ballerina. You wanna remember that? You wanna remember earlier this season, Bournemouth breaking, Semenyo running down the middle. And instead of this man stand up and face Semenyo, he might run go mark the defender when nobody now mark Semenyo and Semenyo drew with the ball. Semenyo end up scoring. You man remember that? Yesterday, Virgil van Disney. What are you doing? What are you doing, fam? Virgil van Dijk. Well, because the couple goal here, some late minute goal here, some serious goals there. Have it to believe. I'm not saying he's not a good defender. I'm not saying that. But you man forgot how integral Vidic was to what Manchester United running the league for 15 years, bro. Or maybe more. You man forget. So let me remind you how Vidic got bloodied on the field. Got off, rub the blood off, chop him up, go back on. Deal the concussion later. You man keep forgetting how big Vidic dive in an attacker, in an Adebayor head to stop a shot. You man keep forgetting how him twist up and turn up the Tottenham defender when I try to score. You man forget all them things, bro. You man forgetting all those things. You man forget how critical Vidic was. But I'm here to remind you, fam. I am here to remind you, Nemanja Vidic, one of the best defenders you have ever seen in the Premier League. Meanwhile, Virgil Van Dinsley stand up with him ass up in the air like a ballerina. You know when that like him a put a post up on backpage.com ass up in the air. And a Virgil van Dyke, Virgil van Brian Lara, Virgil van Shivnarine. A cricketer. A, oh no, a golfer. Maybe. That man is not that man is not a good it's not that he's a bad defender. Virgil van Dijk's a decent defender. But he should never be caught in the stratosphere of Vidic, Rio Ferdinand. None of the great defenders in the Premier League. You should not listen to me, man. Listen to me. Chojos. Me I call you up on now. I'm calling you up on this one. I'm calling you out on this one. Behave your blood clot self. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. People, just best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.